Hello everyone. My name is Agnes Mbonyiryuvuze. I'm a PhD student in physics at University of Cape Town. Now I'm going to talk to you about physics as life. First of all, what is physics? Physics is a branch of science concerned with the nature and properties of matter and energy. This subject includes mechanics, heat, light, and other radiation, sound, electricity, magnetism, the structure of atoms, and so on. Physics is taken as the fundamental science because it creates a foundation for other natural sciences. In the following slide, I'm going to highlight some examples of application of physics in our daily life. The falling of bodies is the application of physics. Swimming also is the application of physics as it requires force. Even playing football is also application of physics. When we are cooking, we are using heat, which is also application of physics law like thermodynamics. When we are making fire, we are using also laws of physics. Even breaking things like making things in small pieces, we are using physics also. When we are looking at something using our eyes, we are also applying physics as our eyes has a nautical component that is lens helping us to see, to observe things that are around us. Also, optical telescope, which are used to observe object at far distance, are also working based on laws of physics. Also, this microscope is the application of physics. When you are not reading well or you do have some problem with your eyes, you use optical glasses. These glasses also are working based on physics laws, optical physics. When listening music or even other voice, other sound, this is also the application of physics. Also, physics is applied in maintaining our health. Here we highlighted some few examples. The first one is an ultrasound that shows a developing child in the womb. Ultrasound are crucial for getting an idea of a newborn baby's health and diagnosis any complication. Seeing any complication before birth. When we do have a broken bone also, we can use X-rays to see how our bones are broken and how serious is our bones broken. In testing also blood pressure, we are using physics principles. Physics also is applied in providing energy. Here there are like some typical example of how physics is applied in different energy sources to provide energy. Also, physics is applied in transporting people and goods as well as other stuffs. You can see some transport using cars, even using airplane, as well as train, bicycle. Even while we are walking, we are using physics. From these few examples that I have highlighted, we can see that physics is everywhere. Physics is life. Please, physics is everything. I encourage you to be curious to know how physics principles can be applied in our daily life to provide our daily life needs and help us to survive and so on. This physics also has played a fundamental roles or a fantastic role in providing some consumer electronics and in facilitating communication. Here we are giving you some examples such as telephone and computers, even radio, television. Even when people are communicating, physics is there because I cannot listen to you without receiving your voice, without looking at you, even without uh, touching you, feel you. You see, physics is playing a very crucial role in communication, even in providing these electronic consumers. Even the internet is also a product of physics. Here are other few examples of consumer electronics that are working or obtained from physics. Thank you very much for listening this talk. We are preparing a lot of talk showing how physics is our life, how physics can apply in our daily life, and how physics is important in our daily life. Thank you very much for listening to me.